Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
All right. Hi. Thank you.
Yeah, hi. I think you might not join.
No problem.
Okay.
All
Fine,
right.
you continue. I'll drop.
All right.
Thank you.
Sure. So, shall we start with an introduction
Yeah,
from
sure.
your side?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, sure.
Right. Tell
So,
me about your family, and I'll just don't jump into your I'm years experience and all that. Okay. Tell
yeah,
me something about yourself, your family. Where are you from? Where are you settled? Talk about yourself.
yeah. Basically, I'm from, so currently I'm working from home. In my family, yeah.
This is the time, you know, apart from the COVID, the bad things that it brought to us. I think for some people it brought people together also because of
Yes,
work from
yes.
home and all that, right? Yeah, that's good. Good.
Yeah, we are enjoying a lot because
Uh,
since my career, this COVID duration only, here with my family only. Otherwise,
right.
I have to work some other place and family some other
Absolutely.
place
Good.
from
All right. You can give some idea about your career now.
Yes. I have
So,
around years of experience in Java and its related technologies. So my current organization is, and currently I'm working for a client domain that is,
okay.
yeah. So here we are dealing with applications for auto.
Why are people moving to microservices?
I think we can work like we can segregate application to small components, and different teams can work parallelly on the same application at the same time,
Hmm.
and the application development becomes faster. Apart from that, second thing, scalability is the issue with monolithic application. If you want to scale the application, then what we need to do, like either we need to increase the RAM and all, but here in the case of microservice architecture, if one request is getting too much traffic, then we can scale up and scale down
All right.
based on the requirement. Yeah.
Good. All right. Yeah. Can you tell me why you are looking for a change right now?
Yes. So this is a tough question. Actually, I'm working for and my contract is going to be expired on December. So they don't have any permanent position right now. So anyway, I have to move to other project or within the or I'm trying outside also. Yeah.
Okay. And I hope the talent acquisition team from told you that this is a position.
Yes.
Okay. How difficult will it be for you to move to Bangalore?
It is not difficult to me. Like my current company is from,
Hmm.
so I'm moving then coming back to. So they have hybrid work
Correct.
culture right now. Yeah.
Right.
So,
See, the reason I'm telling you this is we don't want to assume that it will be always
mhm.
point number one. We don't want to assume that it will be work from home because looks like the honeymoon period is over.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes,
It will get over soon, if not over
yes,
already.
yes,
Mhm.
yes.
So we don't want people to take it for granted that yeah, we will work from anywhere. Point number one. Point number two is a senior architect from principal architect from client organization is coming for a couple of months to work
Okay,
with us in Bangalore. Okay,
okay.
that time full period we want people to be in office
Yes,
because they are coming for us to develop
yes,
our knowledge of the application and our knowledge of the product, business orientation, and
mhm.
all that stuff, right? So we don't want people to say that no, I am in my native place, I cannot come. That is ruled out. People have to be present for that two
Yes,
months
yes.
completely. Okay. And also third point is as well as client and our clients are expecting that we start working from office from February.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. So we don't want any surprise.
Yes, definitely.
So
Yes.
let's be cognizant of the fact that once you join, we would expect you to be in. Okay,
Yes, yes, yes.
we don't want. We would avoid the HR intervention. Okay,
Yes.
to make you come to.
Yes. No. Definitely. If
Yeah.
I have word with you that I will move to, then I will move to.
Okay.
That is,
Okay.
yeah. Because it's a plan for.
Exposure.
Yes,
I would say more than education, exposure is good.
yes. So that's
Right.
why I want to move along with my family.
Good. All right, fine. So coming back to your technical expertise, right? Have you worked in automation, test automation, or testing anytime in your career?
On current company, we had Genie framework for test
Hmm.
script. We have written few test
Okay.
scripts for
Okay.
those.
No, it's not an expectation for the role,
Yeah.
but the thing is, the client culture is a holistic software engineering culture.
Yes,
Okay.
because they are
Right.
we don't have the testers, so we are only
Sometimes
doing.
we have in this account we have equal number of automation and testing team. But why I'm asking is about flexibility. Like
Yes,
sometimes we may want to write the test script for ourselves as well.
yes. That has happened actually. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Right. And there will be certain night calls. Okay. Right now it is 13 hours difference, 13 and a half hours difference. Okay. So it means that we may have calls till 10:30 also. Okay.
Okay.
But but it doesn't mean that we are working round the clock. Okay.
Okay.
So what we have done is we have given the flexibility to teams, not individual, to teams. Like there are four different projects. We have given the flexibility to the projects. Depending on your calls at night, you can decide whether you want to log in late in the morning, or
Okay.
you can take complete break after 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. No need to be available throughout 14, 15 hours,
14. Okay.
because that is not the right way to work. Okay, we will not,
Yeah.
and the client also does not want us to work for 15, 16 hours a day and all that crazy
Yes. Yes.
stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
but but because we need to acquire as much as knowledge from the client
Yes.
organization,
Yes.
they
Definitely.
want us to grow. Okay, they are helping us.
Mhm.
So that's the expectation. So all these things you are okay, right?
Yes, yes, because we have night calls as well. In the evening, we
Yeah.
have two, three calls. Yeah, every
Okay,
day
that's
with
good.
the
All right. One thing, like, what is your exposure or experience in DevOps? Have you been part of any DevOps activities?
DevOps, like deployment application tools and all. We are doing so building using Jules pipeline. That is one thing. Writing a script for those environment. That is second thing.
Okay.
And if we are getting some issues, then we are checking the logs in pipelines and rectifying them. Apart from that, some checks are there like security checks and sonar code coverage. These are we need to
All
make
right.
sure that those things we are doing correctly.
Okay. How do you rate yourself in Java? If I give you, if I ask you to rate out of 10,
Seven, around 7 to 8 core Java. Yeah.
all right. Okay. What are your strengths in Java? Or maybe favorite areas in Java?
Actually, even if you try to ask me like this question, I can do anything with Java because starting
Okay.
itself in my one of the organization, they told me to write the script like it will generate one other application, so I have written that code as well.
Okay.
So the code will generate some other code,
Hmm.
some repeated work, so it reduces our effort. Yeah, that.
Okay, that's good. That's good. So was it part of some deployment activity, automation of deployment, or what was it?
Actually, it was see, we are getting we have clients, so similar application we need to develop. Few things we need to change.
Hmm.
So I written the code like the Pojo, it will generate the Pojo, it will generate the repo, it will based on some JSON input, it will generate all the codes for us. So just
Okay.
we need to pass employee JSON and it will generate all the REST endpoints, including all the things. Yeah,
Okay.
that.
Very good. Very good. All right. So there will be a client interview. Okay. If you're through with this call, then there will be a client interview, and the interview will be for 90 minutes.
Okay,
Okay. So it's going to be a deep dive technical interview.
okay,
It will have a flavor of your understanding of your architecture, your contributions to architecture and design. Okay.
okay,
And coding, hands-on coding. Okay.
okay. Yeah,
So that's how they're, and definitely through all this, they will examine your problem solving approach. Okay.
okay.
What do you mean by problem solving?
Problem solving, it will enhance our skills. Like they might ask me any question, like they can give me some array and we need
No,
to
no, no.
do.
I'm not talking about the interview. I'm
Okay,
talking about
okay,
in your day-to-day work life. What do we mean by problem solving?
okay. So in day-to-day life, like whatever the problem we are facing, so we should have some solution for it so that it
Okay.
will easily solve. We can easily solve it every day. So whatever the problem we are facing in the coding, let's suppose we are writing the code, and first we have to write the code in such a way that it will solve that problem. Then we will think over it like how we can make it more efficient. So first thing is solve the problem. Second thing is make it more efficient, and so that the complexity may decrease. That is
Okay.
my understanding.
All right. Since you have discussed about microservices and all that, I will put one simple problem in front of you. Okay. And the problem will come in half a sentence. Okay. Not even a full sentence. Okay.
Okay. Hmm.
The application fails at 3 million transactions per day. I want it to support 6 million transactions per day. This is a problem statement.
Okay. Application fails at 3 million only,
Yeah.
and you want to perform 6 million operations.
Correct.
Okay. So what we can do, we can have multiple instances to do it. Like 2.5, we will distribute this request like 2.5 million for one server, one instance to handle it, and like this we have to create three instances for that particular instance. So we will create three instances and it will handle 2.5 million each so that it won't fail. Does it work?
Okay, whether it works or not is my question. Okay,
Mhm.
what I wanted to observe is how you approach problem solving.
Okay.
You did not ask me any question. We didn't try to understand what type of application is it, what type of
Mm,
transactions we are talking about. Is the transaction volume? I mean, this is a generic question I have asked. I mean, it
yes,
can
yes.
come in. The input here is ask questions,
Yes, I got you some follow-up question I need to ask. Yes,
right?
that
Yeah,
is my mistake.
ask
Because
questions.
before understanding the problem, how can I give the solution? That is the,
Exactly, right?
yeah,
So that's exactly what I wanted to test you and prepare you for the client interview.
okay, got you.
I mean, your technical, your Java questions, I think you will handle. Okay,
Okay,
you have cleared the hacker rank, and I wish that all the best for you to handle the technical questions which are in coding or testing or SDLC lifecycle. All those things I think you will handle, design, etc. But any question the interviewer or the client asks, right? Have some questions ready and think about it and start asking questions
mhm.
so that see, by completely understanding the problem you would have solved the problem by 50%. This is the saying. Do you know that?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay.
In fact, I go one level above. I say that accepting that there is a problem solves the problem by 25%. Okay,
Mhm.
just by accepting. Many people don't
Accept.
even accept that there is a problem. Okay,
Yes.
accepting that there is a problem solves it by 25%. Understanding it solves it by another 50%.
Okay.
Solution is just 25%.
25%. That is correct.
Right? Okay.
Yes.
First, I need to understand. Yeah, if I'm a network engineer, I should accept that. Yeah, there is a problem in my firewall configuration. Okay. If
Yes.
I don't even accept that there can be a problem, then the larger problem doesn't get solved.
Solved.
Right.
Yes.
So from that expect, I just wanted you to be
Prepare.
aware of these things. Okay, and get the question clarified. Whatever problem they are telling, get it clarified, and whatever questions they are asking, whatever Java code they may ask you to write, keep talking through the call.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Definitely.
keep talking in the sense, yeah, this is how I am doing. I will use this particular design pattern, or I will use this particular loop, for
Okay.
loop or while loop. So I mean, I'm telling basics. Okay, but
Yes.
whatever questions they will ask, you keep talking and say that this is the problem you have discussed, and this is how I'm approaching it. Keep
Okay.
talking while you write your code or give a design framework to the solution. Okay.
Okay.
All right, fine. How did you find HackerRank? The HackerRank test that was presented to you. How was it?
It was good. Like I forgot most of the questions, but
Hmm.
yeah, I usually doing hacker rank. I'm while practicing.
Okay.
Whenever I'm preparing, I'm doing hacker rank. I'm solving the problem.
Okay.
Whenever I'm getting time, I'm doing this work only.
Okay.
Lead code, and I recently have started lead code as well to
Hmm.
solve the problems. Yeah.
All right. Okay. Yeah, that's it. I don't have any other question. Do you have any?
Yes, I do have. Could you tell me the projects and technologies which our client is using so that I can prepare? Apart
Yeah.
from these things, I will also prepare those things so that I can understand and I will
Right.
prepare more.
Right. The front end is Angular.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And back end is REST API on Spring Boot.
Okay.
Okay. And back end is Oracle.
Okay.
They have moved one instance of the production to cloud. Okay, one market actually, not just one instance. It's one market. One market they have moved to cloud. That is AWS
AWS.
microservices.
Mhm.
Okay, so and there are three other instances in three different markets. It is so they have four different markets as of now for their product. The product is
Great.
okay. Yeah. So technology wise, I think you are on that. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
but you need to prepare well for the client interview. It may happen in the next 4 to 5 days.
Yeah, sure. I
All
will.
right. Okay.
I will try to prepare. I will try my best to. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Uh,
Any other question?
yeah, it's very nice to talking you. First time I got feedback as well in the interview, so I will do my best. Yeah.
That's right. Yeah. I mean, many of us we know what we are doing, but just we want to make sure that you are not matching your skills with the requirement. I mean, make sure that you won't miss the matching part. Okay. That's
Yes.
just about being conscious during that call. Okay. By the
Yes.
way, yeah, I'm a portfolio manager in. I have three accounts that I'm working on. Okay.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah. Since you have completed hacker rank, we didn't conduct any technical round for you.
Okay.
And after hacker rank, it is directly client interview.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. All right. That will be a deep, as I said, deep dive technical interview. So be prepared for that.
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Sure.
All right. Fine then.
Thank you.
Okay. One last question. When can you join if selected?
January, because currently serving notice period.
What's the last date?
Uh,
For Jan. Okay. All right. All the best and have a nice day.
Thank you so much. Nice talking to you.
Bye.